Waroko welo madwabire nam wantiere ka Hippo Point welo te wahero nkech une jok mamio wanyalo yudo ngima madwarore e nam ka.
What's up good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're wondering, I'm not naked anyway. Anyway, a lot of you asked me to take you by the lakeside, so yeah, so I'm here. It's not the best day to come to the lakeside because it's a working day. It's a Monday. Is it a Monday, Samantha?
Yeah, it's a Monday.
Yep, so today is a Monday, not the best day to bring you to the lakeside. So but I'm still going to show you the lakeside. The best day when there's action and activity is actually on a Saturday, actually starting from Friday, Saturday and Sunday. But well, this is the only time I had, so I'm going to be showing you around the lakeside. I'm doing with some amazing, one of my oldest friends in Kisumu, Samantha.
Yeah. Hi.
Samantha, how did we meet?
We met with Mercy. Was it, I think, 2010 or 2009?
2010.
2010.
I think about May 2010.
Yes, we were doing a course in Alliance Française, French classes, and then like we just clicked, and that's how we became friends.
Yeah, I can't believe it's almost a decade since we last met. But this lighting is really messing everything. But well, we'll just continue. And some other amazing lady back there.
Hi, my name is Eunice, Samantha's friend. So Samantha is our mutual friend. And we just met today.
Yeah.
She's an amazing person. Yes.
How amazing am I in a scale of 1 to 10?
I'd say so far 9. I'd give her a 9.
We are still battling 5. Like,
Wait, Samantha, you saying I'm 5?
No, see, but we still like it's still 5, but it's gonna take me.
No. Okay, fine. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you what the lakeside side of Kenya looks like. To be honest, a lot of people have said like Kenya doesn't have like the best lake show. A lot of people say Tanzania has the best in Mwanza, then Uganda. So if you don't know, Lake Victoria is shared by 3 countries. Kenya, I think Kenya has the smallest. I'm not so sure. I'll confirm. If this is actually a fact, I'm going to write fact in the comment section. If I don't write, then it's not a fact. So Kenya has the smallest share of Lake Victoria, then there's Tanzania and Uganda. I like how Tanzania and Uganda have utilized their beaches, because in Kenya, oh well, it's just something else. It was until about 5 years ago that people actually started visiting the areas. But it's not like as organized. People just come with their cars and they park, take their liquor, their drinks, smoke whatever they want to smoke, and yeah, take boat rides and all that. So let me just take you to the lakeside to just show you what goes on, well, on a weekday, because today is not a weekend. So let's do this.
This is Hippo Point.
One
of the famous places where people love most. We have a lot of activities that are being done here: fishing, boat riding. We do kayaking, boat racing, and fish sport fishing for guests.
All right.
So along here we normally take guests out for fishing We also take them for excursion tour. This includes seeing hippos, bird watching. You can see some varans in the lake. We can go to the local fisher folk. We see how fishermen are catching fish by their hands as we move along to see the hippos and birds to the rice field, to a certain canal inside this particular lake.
How long have you been doing this?
It has taken now around 16 years.
Oh, you've been doing this for 16 years? Yes. Oh, okay. What's the name of your boat?
Hippo Rider and Safaris.
Hippo Rider and Safaris. How much would it cost a person to basically have all that?
Well, excursion tour will be charged as the interest of the guest. We have a trip that we can take you to see hippos, bird watching, fish village. We call it excursion tour. We charge $2,500 per person.
That's $25.
That's $25 per person. That's we can go up to 1.5 tour.
Oh, okay. So for the excursion tour, they get to see the fishing place. What else?
We see hippos.
We see
varans.
What?
Varan.
What's that?
That is a Nile monitor lizard.
Oh, okay. Nile monitor lizard.
We see talk about different species of birds.
Different species of birds.
Yeah. We can see how the fishermen are catching fish by their hands.
By their hands?
Yeah.
Are they using nets or just the hands?
It's around. There's a certain net they can cast in the water in a circular way. So they dive into that nest. They squeeze the net together until it becomes one line. Then they catch the fish inside that net by their hands.
Oh, so they have to be divers or something?
Yeah, they dive in the water.
Okay, and what do you love most about your job?
Wow. This is an open air job. It's not a building where you have different, you don't get the fresh air. You don't need to use anything that is used in the office. So this job is very interesting. You learn to meet different types of people in the world. All types of, how they feel, what they do, what they want. You discuss together. You explore.
All right. So one last thing, I want you to welcome people to your boat ride and to explore Kisumu, but I want you to use your mother tongue.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Well, in Luo, I'm a Luo man. Born in Kisumu. I love speaking Luo as well, but not so much. I love speaking Swahili. So, when I say in Luo, welcoming you, the guest, I say warwaku welo mundo udonje ye wasuo udhi umor enam wadhi neno rao winy wadhi neno kalagwena gi moko ma ubo hero neno kawantie nam.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Asante.